friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, we are going to discuss about related function in Power BI. So, what is a related function and what generally it does? So, related function returns a value from a related table in the data model. So, suppose you are going to create a DAX or you are going to create a calculated column, and if you want to fetch values from some other table which has a relationship, then with the help of a related function we can able to create the measure, or we can able to create that calculated column. This is the signature of related function. This is the column name. So this is the name of the column from where we want to retrieve the value, and it must be referenced on a table on the one side of the many to one relationship. So whenever we are going to use this related function, no, the name of the column will be always from the one side. If you talk about many to one relationship or one to many relationship, if we are going to use that many side column reference, then that will not going to work. This related function does not really perform any operation. It just open the door to access column from an expanded table. So this related function will not going to do any kind of a calculation. What it will going to do, it will give you a path by opening a door to the other table to fetch the value from a particular column. This is the data model which I am going to use in this exercise. If you want to understand the data model, then please watch video number 12 in this playlist. What I am just doing here. Here I am creating a column, and from where the value will going to populate? The value will going to populate from AP retail product category with the help of this related function. So this column which we are going to create is in the table AP sales by store. The AP sales by store has a one to many many to one relationship with the table known as the AP retail product category. So this is the one side. So the relationship between AP product category to AP sales per product AP sales by store is one to many. So this is the one side. That's why we are fetching this column data and create a new column and populate the data with the help of this related function. So let me do this exercise in Power BI. Let me go to, okay, let me be in this table view only. So the name of the table which I was talking about is AP sales by store. AP retail sales by store. Let me create a new column. Okay, so let me give the name of the column is AP retail product category. From where this data will going to populate? The data will going to populate from other table column. So we need to use related function. In the related function, we need to give the name of the column from where we want to fetch the value. And the name of the column is AP retail product lookup table product category. Now run it. It is working. This AP retail sales by store is a very big table. That's why it's taking some time to create the table. So create the column and populate the value. Okay. See, this table has been created successfully, and this value from where it is coming? This value is coming from this column, and this column exists in AP retail product lookup table. And where we are creating this column, we are creating this column here, AP retail sales by store. So, and there is a relationship between AP sales by store and AP product lookup. The relationship is one to many relationship. That's why we have used this related function to fetch the value from AP retail product lookup table. So in this video, we have seen how we can use related function in Power BI. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.